Hello everyone, and in this video I'll guide you through the process of how to send money with Starling Bank. But first, please subscribe to the channel, it will really help me out. So without further ado, let's dive in. So with Starling Bank you have the capability to transfer funds to 37 different countries across 21 currencies directly from the application. The process through the app is straightforward. Navigate to the payment section, locate or establish the payee you wish to send money to, and then simply tap the pay button. Before to make the payment, Starling Bank will provide you a clear understanding of the fees involved in the process. Please note that international payments are processed exclusively during the weekdays, from 2 on Monday to 22 on Friday, as the foreign exchange market is closed over the weekend. It's essential to be aware that there are specific countries with which Starling does not permit payments to or from. So, before to make a payment, take note of it. And there we have it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.